Hello, everybody. This particular topic that I'm going to talk to you about is very important because nowadays most teachers ask you to submit your assignment in electronic mode. At the same time, the seminar might be in offline mode, it could also be in online mode. So, assignment submission previously, just a recap of how it used to be, is that you would submit sheets of paper stapled with your name and the title of the assignment on the front sheet, and it would normally be placed on the table of the teacher so that the teacher would be able to evaluate it after some time. Nowadays, that is over. Most of the teachers now rely on electronic submission. Electronic submission can be through Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom, and other LMS software. So I'm going to give you a general idea of how to submit electronically. One advantage to the students, especially to you all, is that previously the assignment submission time would be till maybe 3:30 in the evening or 4:30. That is when the teacher leaves the department or the table. That is the last time. And so we can remember, and we can even think about students who rush in to somehow get the assignment on the table on time. Some even coming the next morning and trying to put the assignment under the last assignment so that the teacher would not know of things like this. Now all those things are all gone, and the time of course has been extended. If the teacher says that today is the last date, then you have time till 11:59 midnight. Your assignment electronically would mean that you will have to be on time, and at the same time you will have certain things, certain norms for going about it, and I'm going to present these norms. Usually for your assignment submission, you will be given a topic. Sometimes you would be able to select from a list of topics. So first come first served, choose the best topic suited for you. Once you get the topic, ponder and think about it. Think about what you will be able to write about. Most of the time, the assignments that that are given to you would be generally easy and related to the topics that your teacher has taught for you in the class. So ponder, think about it. Then you need to research about the topic. Researching is basically searching the internet to find out more about it. The teacher may have already looked into a lot of details and given you a complete idea of it, but at the same time, I'm sure that you will be able to find a little bit more when you do the research. And this is the actual crux of the assignment. For you, this allows the student to search more and find new things. So as you research the topic, you will find some interesting points that will make your presentation unique. Mark those points, copy those points, and you can present them in your coming slides. With respect to the number of slides, it is important that you minimize the number, because if you have more than 8 or 9 slides, it would generally mean that your seminar presentation will go for more than 10 minutes. So try to restrict your slides to maybe 7 or 8 or maximum 9. Now, this is how you go about it. Your topic that you have selected, your pondering and research has been done, and then you are now going into a slide maker. It could be PowerPoint, it could be the likes of slides, it could be Google Slides, any mode that you prefer. Generally, a PPT is accepted, and usually a .pdf or .ppt extension is preferred. For this, your slides would need to have a normal template, and the slide number 1 would contain the title, the topic that you have selected, then your name and your roll number. So slide number 1 would be the topic that you have selected, which is the title, your name and your roll number. Now slide 2 would be the introduction, a brief idea of what your topic is. If you can insert maybe one picture or so, it will be great. It depends on the topic. Then you have 1 or 2 or maximum 3 slides for you to present the topic, to present the idea that you have with you in minimum number of words. So don't cram the slides. See to it that the slides are, the letters are spaced. Generally you can have a 24 point format. 18 to 24 is acceptable. So your 3 slides, body 1, body 2 and body 3, they would contain the main points that you have researched. Now you can have another slide which could make sort of an interesting point or points. So this would be something which is out of the box, something that you have really looked into and you find that it is interesting for the class. Of course, you know that when you present your topic as a seminar, everyone else will be listening to it. So see to it that you have some interesting point wherein they would be glued to the screen, or they would be able to sit attentively through your presentation. Then your slide number maybe 6 or 7 would be your credit slide. This is the points that you have researched, the points that you have taken. You must definitely give credit to them. So this slide is basically a credit slide wherein you have mentioned that these are the places, or these are the URLs, these are the links from which I have taken these references. So that is a slide, and this is not very important, but at the same time it is important in terms of research. And finally, a thank you slide. So you've begun with your title slide where you have your name, your roll number and the topic that you have selected, and your ending is a thank you slide, again with your name. So this is basically how you have the number of slides, maximum 7 or 8. Now the topics that you have for business English are given to you. You are supposed to select from them. I have given you a particular order. This order is against your name. You have the topic given to you, so you are supposed to take that particular topic. This is also another set of topics that you have. And once you've completed that, you need to upload your assignment. You need to upload your assignment in .pdf extension. .pdf extension. If there are other extensions also, I will mention it in the assignment submission formats. And this has to be done positively through Google Classroom. I'm using Google Classroom, hence you have to positively upload it via Google Classroom. Then this will be presented as a seminar. The date for your seminar will be given to you. You have 7 days to complete your assignment, and from the 8th day onwards, we will start our seminar. So best wishes to all of you. Do well and get maximum marks. Thank you. Bye.